Welcome to another episode of Texas Dream Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today we are located in Little Elm, Texas, looking at the neighborhood Prairie Oaks. This home is built by David Weekley. This is the Brays 1 model, and it is sitting at $574,990. It is a 2,800 square foot home, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. So this one is actually a ready to move in home. Most likely, by the time this video is up, this one will actually be under contract. As soon as I was leaving the new community and the office / model home, the salesperson did let me know that they did have a lot of people looking at this home in particular, but they do have a few other similar models or plans left. The special thing about this one was the lot size, which you guys will see is humongous. But I did want to show you guys the rest of the home and show you kind of like the build quality and to see if you guys are interested in checking this out. So like I said, if you are, there's a few available, so reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. But here is the backyard. Look at the size of this lot. I mean, you could fit multiple pools in this backyard, which is amazing. So like I said, this might be already on their contract, but we do have a few other ones available in this neighborhood and a few other models / plans as well. We're gonna go and check out the master bedroom here, and I'll touch a little bit about the price point. So some of these homes are extremely negotiable, so if you're looking to get one of the best deals out there, please reach out to me. I have been able to talk to the salespeople, and the prices are definitely very enticing, we'll say. And we have the master bath here. We'll walk back out and we'll take a look at the rest of the home. But again, it's a very nice and spacious home. I love the high ceilings they have here. Makes the bottom, kind of the downstairs area, feel very, very spacious. And as you walk upstairs, it's all pretty secluded from the rest of the home. So you do have this little open space here in the middle that we'll check back out. But this is the first bathroom up here, which would be the guest bathroom. You do have the bedroom. All of the bedrooms are very, very spacious as well, which is nice. And they all come with some pretty decent closet space. You do have a nice little linen closet here with a lot of storage. And then up here, you're gonna have a nice little media room, game room, kind of like a little lounge area. And then you have the other bedrooms here to share. This bathroom here. And then the last 2 bedrooms. And like I said, please reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description. Now is your opportunity to get a great deal in a great neighborhood. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.